Hey, it's Yuri.
Go!
I'm here at the So You Think You Can Dance audition. This is Kiki. So like, it's the So You Think You Can Dance season. I don't even know audition, and like I've never tried out before, and so we're here.
The last season.
Yes, the last season. Exactly. Okay. So, are you serious?
I think so.
In real life, they're getting canceled?
I think so.
And this is Sis.
Who's getting?
This is YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. Twerk. Yes, it is like it's getting real. It is like packed as fuck. Okay. Everybody's here. I think Chicago, New Orleans, LA is. I think everybody here. And D1, Detroit. What?
Not the face, though.
Come on up. Grab to the puddle.
They must have hired her on spot.
Stay there, yeah.
They must have hired her.
Right now, we're going through all the basic procedures that they do with filming and recording, audition processes, and things like that.
All the fake shit.
Basically.
All the fake shit.
It's so
'Cause this
safe.
is
Look, I'm
scripted.
screaming.
That is big.
Yeah. It's some people who are looking real through.
That scream with no sound.
There's a lot of people here who are just not in the mood anymore. But I'm going to hit you up in a little bit, YouTube. I'll upload this as soon as I can. Wish us luck. We just showed out for the camera and everything. We made some new friends. Yes, we're making friends everywhere. We'll talk to you. Welcome to the Midnight Carnival.
Can I say no? What's the girl?